Blessed art thou, O Lord our God, King of the universe, who bringeth forth bread from the earth.
Hello viewers and subscribers. In this video guys, you're gonna be getting salmon, jerk salmon. You're gonna be getting oxtails, curry oxtail. You're gonna be getting curry goat. You're gonna be getting steamed cabbage, fried plantain. This video is packed with food, so keep watching the video all the way to the end guys for all the surprises. Remember to thumbs up, share, like and comment on the video guys. Appreciate everybody being here.
So here
Chef
we are.
Blake is cooking up. It's lunchtime,
Salmon.
so let's get cooking.
Salmon. Let's scale it. You know they got the scale on it still, right? Some people like it with the skin on. Some people don't like the skin on it. So we're gonna scale it. Guys, we are filleting our fish. We just take off the skin off the back. It's a little bit of silver lining, but that's totally edible. And now, time to do this piece. So cut a little tip on it like this. Get a hole, get a grip. Then you want to get that knife. Get that knife under so you can get some leverage. Let's take a look at the back. Perfect. Fillet style salmon.
So here we're gonna go ahead and just rub in our jerk season on it and get it nice and seasoned properly. Get that taste, that nice mouth watering taste. That jerk season guys, giving it a kick. Get this seasoned evenly on the back, on the front.
Yes guys, lunchtime and we are cooking up a storm. Here we have some curry goat. Curry goat well seasoned down girl. This is curry goat with potatoes. Potatoes on there. Over here we have oxtail. Curry oxtail. If you guys want to know how to make the curry oxtail, there's a video on the channel that show you how to make the curry oxtail. But today, Monday, today's what? It's Friday. Sorry about the Monday guys. I'm getting the days of the weeks all mixed up. Right here we're doing some steamed cabbage. It's getting done right here. As you can see, our steamed cabbage looking good. Over here we have a pot of rice and peas. Looking good. And across the sink guys, right here, we have jerk salmon. Jerk salmon. This is what it looks like guys. I already seasoned up. All the allspice on there. Here's the allspice guys. Looking good. Look at it. See it? Jerk salmon. Looking good, looking good. Very beautifully. Take a look at the bottom. Beautiful salmon guy. Ready to go jerk. Stick around with us guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. BlakeWrTv Kitchen with Chef guys. This is our jerk chicken and today's menu. Looking good. Flip them around. Looking good, looking good. What do you think about the jerk chicken?
It smells really good.
Jerk chicken looking good. Flip them over. Looking good guys. Jerk chicken. Looking good. Golden brown.
Here is the cabbage. Getting started.
Steamed cabbage.
Some bell peppers and red peppers in there. Hey guys, this is the curry goat. Got some vegetables here that we need to steam down.
Yeah, curry goat is on the way. Cabbage is over there, and this is the
Cabbage and the oxtail.
this oxtail over here cooking down right here. And give the oxtail a little stir. Oxtail is tough, you know, it takes long to cook.
Yeah.
Oxtail is a lot of work. And when you cook oxtail, you gotta make sure you get it soft. You want it to fall off the bones. That nice taste when you taste it, when you're eating it, you feel it coming off the bone. You're like, wow, this is well cooked all the way through. Smells real good. Pot of goodness. How the cabbage look over there?
It was really nice.
Cabbage is finished?
Pretty, yeah.
All right, cabbage is finished. And guys, we have our down here, we have some jerk chicken in the oven. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're in the oven. Is the oil hot? Go over there. Is it hot enough? It is? Oh, this is too high. Okay guys, time for us to do that jerk salmon. Salmon. We're gonna put it this way.
Okay.
Excuse me. Put it in here, set the oven to 350 degrees.
Chopping up the jerk chicken now. Wow. The salmon is ready now. It looks really nice. Some pink.
Just a little bit more.
Ooh, look at the jerk over here, all chopped up and ready. Just gotta serve and plate.
So it's time for us to go ahead and put the jerk chicken in the plates. So as you can see, we have the jerk chicken already cut up already. They're looking so good, succulently. Taste is palatable. The taste is amazing. The smell, guys, the aroma, I wish you guys were here to smell these jerk chicken or to even taste them right about now. The taste is irresistible right now, guys. So let's go ahead and plate them up. We have several plates left to fill. Everybody's waiting to try this jerk chicken with the BlakeWrTv Kitchen. You know what? Something always sizzling. Something succulent cooking.
Salmon, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is for, who's this, Bill? Whose oxtail is this? This is Bill. Oxtail look nice. Very look quality. Okay. Let's give him some bean. Some gravy on his oxtail. Yep, looking good. And some cabbage. Where's the cabbage? Cabbage looks good. Cabbage on the side. Got a little bit more in there. Some people love the cabbage. Alright, this look good, right? Put a little bit more rice in there. Guys, what y'all think about this oxtail and plantain guy? Tell me what y'all think about it. Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think about this. the side. Yep. Looking good. Close it up. Shut it down. Tell me what you think.
Guys, check out this salmon. Doesn't it look great? What do you think about the salmon?
Beautiful.
It's amazing. Fresh out the oven. Smells great.
It's beautiful. Let's get it cracking. Okay, who's this? Vanessa?
This is, yes, Vanessa.
Okay, let's get Vanessa box open. Nothing in here?
We
No
got-
rice, no nothing in here?
Vanessa wants no rice. She wants a side
said-
of plantain and cabbage and salmon.
You just want salmon?
Cabbage, salmon, and a side of plantains.
Yeah. I'm still looking good. Looking good, guys.
Blessed art thou, O Lord our God, King of the universe, who bringeth forth bread from the earth. Universe, who bringeth forth bread from the earth.